Meister-Werke sewing machine, take 6. Hi there, this is Leisure bringing you another fine sewing machine. Today we have a Meister sewing machine made by Meister-Werke of Germany, and it's got some nice features. It's got a marked throat plate, it's got a bed extension that lifts up like on the featherweight, it's got an accessory drawer with some nice accessories in it, which will sews 8 or 10 different stitch patterns. We're going to start with a piece of sheeting for our demonstration. Nice straight stitch. Here's a little denser sheeting. Let's see what else we have here. Let's do something interesting. This scallop stitch, I didn't pull it too close because I just have the regular zigzag put on it right now. But with a shorter stitch length adjustment, it would make a nice tight little half moon there. Okay, let's sew some denim. This will be perfect for carrying into your quilting class. Weighs about as much as your regular size small poodle. And just for fun, let's sew some leather. It's not terribly heavyweight, as you can see, but it's respectable. This is not a heavy-duty machine. It's not made for sewing elephant hide, making boots. But as you can see, it will sew leather, and it will sew leather well.